Coming to you live from Mr. Hiro Car Studio. I always see this place on TikTok and Instagram, and it's located in Osaka, and I figured while I'm out here, let me stop by, and boy am I happy I did. So my intention is really just to walk around because downstairs they have a bunch of cars that you can rent, like RX-7s, R34s, GTRs, Celicas, things of that nature. But it appears that I can also do sim racing, which I feel like I have to do. They even have food here. I can grab myself a hot dog, chicken nuggets, drink. But here's some of the cars you can see: S2000, NSX, R32. I would love to rent an FD one day, but for 10 minutes, it's 1,500. I think I gotta do at least like 20 minutes on one of these before I leave.
7-axis and 8-axis.
Oh, okay.
7-axis.
Pro or core?
The Core 8, the Core 7, the Pro 7, Pro 8.
Okay. Yeah, no, I have to do it. I don't know if I should do pro or core, but I have to do at least like 10, 20 minutes. Like, the craziest thing is down here. Oh, this guy might be making some content too. But I'm more always in, oh, this jersey is actually pretty fire. 10,000 yen, that's around like 60 bucks. I might have to try one on. They have some of the things that you see at 8-Pit, like the mouses, some of the cool like phone seats, Nas bottle plushie. This, I can't tell you what this is. Little storage garage box for your car. These are kind of cool. They open like this. Hang on your wall. Can't believe they sell food and drinks and everything here. This place is legit. Look at this. Hamburger set. Some Fast and the Furious cars right here. The gated shift knobs. I actually bought a couple of these. They're going to be on my website soon. Tomicas, of course. These are on my website. Shout out to everybody who bought one. Some tote bags. Some shirts up there. I'm really liking that jersey. Paint codes. I wonder if they paint cars. Like, I wonder if I can drop off my car here and get it painted. Wow, look at this little bike. Forget the RX-7 next to it. How do I get a ride of this? Wow, look at this toga. Ends at a gas station. I don't know if this is from Initial D, but I'm gonna assume it is. This is a pretty locked in display. I love the seats. Oh wait, can I send them a photo and they put it on a drink? Oh yeah, they can. Wow. This is pretty locked in. Look at this. I could send them a photo of my try and they'll give me a koozie pretty much. That's dope. Look at this midnight purple R34. Sometimes things are overrated and then other things are just perfectly rated. Midnight purple is perfectly rated. It isn't like it's really that color. You get a midnight purple R34, forget Bayside blue, forget yellow, forget silver, forget any of that. This is the creme de la creme right here. Do you see how this is 9 colors in one? Next to that, this has to be some special GTR. I've never seen one with that front end before. Of course. What's a car rental company without a 8.6? Carbon fiber hood, headlights, 8.6 license plate. I believe that's a plate from Initial D of the 1395. Nice S2000, more carbon fiber. FC. Type R. More carbon fiber. Carbon fiber mirrors. Carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber trunk. Blue and gold always goes perfect together. Look at the blue on this though, my goodness. Oh wait, is that carbon? Wow. Holy smokes, Velside calipers too. Is this really all carbon? Velside seats? I didn't even realize it was 2 different colors. Sub in the back, that's just perfect. This had to be from that era. Like, I don't think someone did this in 2020. This had to be from when that was what the coolest thing and the kids were doing. Nice Z. Another R35. Look at these rotors. I'm a big whore when it comes to calipers and rotors. A lot of them have Velside rims, I'm realizing. I wonder if that's in Osaka or they're just cool with them. But look at these rotors. All jokes aside, 4 of those cost more than my entire try. Yeah, look at this. Velside, Velside, Velside. I wonder if this person just rented this NSX. It's pretty cool if they did. Wow. I don't think you can rent these. I gotta look at that sheet again. This seems like such a liability. I mean, I guess if someone is willing to pay. Alright, so Class 2 are these cars up here. So if I run it to rent an RX-7 Class 2 for 3 hours, 100 kilometer limit, 100 kilometer distant limit, it's 18,000 yen. That's not bad. I think realistically I want to go more than 100 kilometers away though. I didn't realize that they had kilometer, like, I guess that makes sense, but I always just thought I rented, I could go as far as I want. It's almost like America, it's unlimited miles, but I guess this isn't a Camry. We got ourselves a Z. I wonder if this is the one that's supposed to look like DK. Let me see. I don't remember 100% what the DKs look like, but I feel like it was the same color. It was a 350Z. I don't know if it was also a Velside, but if it was, shout out to them for really crushing it across the board. Yeah, I think these are just for display, and then some of the other ones that they probably have a different location, you can actually rent the cars. Cause like no way they're letting somebody rent a carbon fiber, bring in RX-7 and all these other Velside ones. Like especially that, can you imagine? Even I feel like for $1,000 an hour, it's just still not worth it. This is like a $200,000-$300,000 car. I should have picked a rear-wheel drive car now that I think about it. But I've been just driving with this Civic for the last 15 minutes. I figured there was no point to pick like a Lamborghini or something. I don't find that as enjoyable. And it was cool. I mean, I think that maybe I should have got the Pro with the 8-axis. This is fun, but I feel like I'm not really in a sim. Like I want it to be throwing me around. I feel like maybe they made the settings so light where like my body isn't really moving as much as I think it should. But it's fun. If you guys are ever in Osaka, you should definitely come here. The sim was cheap. I have 42 seconds left. Let me see if I could actually drive so you guys can be impressed. With one hand, that is. V-Tech baby, EK9. Alright, let me see. I'm gonna lock in for these last 24 seconds. Heel toe. So I'm leaving here now. Thank you guys for watching. They have drifting carts as well. I think next time I come to Japan, I gotta spend some more time here. Maybe come with some of the homies. We can compare times. Pretty cool spot. I'm actually very happy. Like I was thinking about like, is it really worth stopping? And like I got an apple juice. I was able to do sim racing. I saw some cool cars. I bought that jersey like I said I was. Next time I go, I'm gonna definitely have more time. I wanna see if they have K cars. It'd be cool to go around like the smallest track in like a K truck or S660 or Copen. But I'm in this video here. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.